Good morning, folks. Just thought I'd bring to your attention the HAARP Induction Magnetometer is still showing a lot of agitation. Looks like it's in the between the 1.5 2 kilohertz range, or 2 hertz range, should I say. Then very close into that earthquake kind of range, which is around 2.5 hertz. Then we've got another area that's being agitated above 3 hertz and then almost 3.5 hertz. This started yesterday. This would be yesterday morning. 12 Greenwich Mean Time, or 12 Zulu, is 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time for me. So here we are at 7 this morning, and we're coming upon 11 a.m. here in Dallas, Texas, where I am. Anyway, again, this is from the Alaska HAARP monitor in Gakona, Alaska. The Induction Magnetometer, showing consistent agitation at several frequencies there. Very interesting. Again, I've not been watching this for a long time. I've just recently started watching it, but this still looks very interesting to see what's going on. Another note of interest too to me is I look at proton flux. Again, this is from the GO satellites that monitor space weather for us, and generally these are low-level protons that are bombarding the GO spacecraft, and they have become elevated and consistently elevated now over the past several hours. Again, this started yesterday evening, and generally we only see these when we have a significant solar flare. Now, this could be associated with that explosion on the sun we saw happen early yesterday, and part of the agitation in the protons could be affecting the Earth space environment. I'm not seeing any reaction as far as geomagnetic reaction, which protons actually wouldn't do that, but the solar wind is all relatively normal. It was still a bit elevated, but again, I just thought it was interesting that protons jumped up, which generally I only see that whenever I see a relatively decent sized solar flare. But a lot of times when you see a decent sized solar flare, you'll see these jump way up here, the red ones, and then when you get the blue, which is greater than 50 mega electron volt, or the green ones, if you see those go up, then you know we've got a pretty bad proton storm going on, which is solar radiation. Anyway, just thought I'd do this video just because I'd just seen Dutch's video in response to the problems with the shortwave radio operators, so maybe somehow this is all tied in. It's kind of interesting. Anyway, y'all have a good one.